Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn how to set up the Helium wallet app to store your HNT. As you can see, the first thing we've done is we've gone into the App Store. This could also be the Play Store, as it's both on Android and Apple. We're going to search for Helium wallet. There it is. You can see the Helium logo. I actually downloaded it before, which is why you're seeing that. So we're going to click to install the app. Super quick. We're going to open it up. So now we're inside of the Helium app. Send notifications, sure. Use Bluetooth, sure. This is more if you're actually onboarding hotspots, but yeah. So now you're at the welcome screen. Get started. Let's click that button. Now, what would we like to do? The green one in the middle, create a new wallet. So let's click that. Create a new account. Now, please ensure these are written down, kept safe, and never shared. So this is the important part, is that we need to write this down. This is basically going to be our access key, okay? So this is how we're gonna actually finish creating the account. So we're gonna go to create account. Now, we're gonna start writing our words down. Okay, so here I am with my piece of paper. Now, note, you don't have to do this on paper. You could do this like on a notepad on your computer or something else, but afterwards you're gonna wanna delete it, or you're going to want to store it somewhere offline that's encrypted and secure. I mean, it's really up to you to decide what you feel is safe. If you're going to store it on paper, that's not necessarily safe either, unless you're locking it up somewhere, right? And maybe even tearing it apart into 2 or 3 or 4 separate pieces. So you can decide how safe you want to be, but just note that you need to keep this safe, because if not, somebody else could access your account and potentially steal all of your HNT. So we'll write down our first word. Runway. Alright, so I just swiped. Second word, hub. Swipe again. Third word, become. I think you guys get the idea, so let's skip ahead. Okay, so here we are again with our last word, Latin. And that's it. So now it's allowing me to name the account. So let's name it everyone's favorite app for managing their deep in fleets, Hotspotty. And let's set our PIN code. There we go. And look, we're done. So there's nothing in there. Obviously, you'll need to execute transfers, but this means that you're ready to go. Your Helium wallet is now set up. Congrats. Oh, and hey folks, there was one other thing that I thought might be important to show you with this video, especially if you're migrating over from something like Binance. If this is the first time you've used this wallet, just remember you're going to need to give people your address. So to do that, you just go to the settings. Again, this is on iPhone, so it might be slightly different on Android. But then all you have to do is hit copy address or share address. So you can just go here, share address, boom. There's your QR code. You can also share it this way, or you can just copy the address and then you can paste that into something else for somebody, right? So that's all you have to do, and then you will be able to start receiving HNT right here in your new Helium wallet.